Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about how to import fonts into Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do, open an artwork, select one font or one typography, then add font. Tap. Your font now added. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.